Well, spring has sprung. It's time to get the boat ready for the season. Let's go. Well, here we are on board, and as you can see, the new gel coat is in place, and it looks wonderful. Pretty happy with that. Now, since the gel coat was repaired, we were able to reinstall the rope clutches and winches. The next step would be to bring all the control lines back into the cockpit. She's having a hard time untying this thing, so I think I tied it too tight. The main halyard had a loop in it that would not fit through the rope clutch, so I had to tie a messenger line and then use my long screwdriver, tape the messenger line to the end to pull it through. What are you laughing at?
I don't know, it just made me laugh.
Oh, still tight. There it comes. There it goes. All right. All right. Tack 2. Okay. That's it for the reefing lines. Fantastic. Okay, well, that looks. Isn't that beautiful? What a nice shiny surface. Before the head sail could go up, I needed to find the center of this line for our sheets. And then we put a lark's head in the middle at the clew of the sail. So it's essentially one sheet, port and starboard. And there are no knots to get hung up in the rigging. Down to the other end. That's there. Let's see where it ends up halfway. And this is the center of the sheet. And we'll mark this so we don't lose it. Tying a little knot in there. And take the rest on board. Now all we have to do is bring the sail up. Okay, head sail, wake up. Time to go to work. I feel like I'm birthing a child. Okay, I'm going to close the hatch so nobody falls through it. There it is. Now we can go back in here. There's my marlin spike. Tighten it up. Okay, here we go. Okay, let's hold it there. All right, let me get the sheets. Now I marked the lark's head with a simple little knot. Can you hold that for me? Got to find the bitter ends. And here they are. Okay, we have that. Take this out. That's the midway point.
Okay.
Okay. Put that through there. These through here. And there it is. Nice Larkin's head knot. Okay. Put that up there. All right, now we can continue to raise it. Okay, I'm going to start. Yeah, of course it's picking up. This is, we're raising it. Okay, here we go. Going up. Nice and tight. All right. Take that sheet, run it through a block. Pull through. Whoa. Then put a stopper knot in it. So now we're a sailboat again. Okay, the other thing we do every winter is we take our transient dock lines and we double them up with our regular slip lines. So now I got to get this, our transients are red. And that's because it's, you know, it's just a good idea to have extra lines when the boat's in the water, which is where she spent the winter here in Annapolis. You can see how faded the reds are from UV exposure. Red is the worst color for anything. Reds will fade the fastest. So if you paint your hull of your boat red, you're going to be painting it more often than you realize. Okay, that's about as close as I can get without letting off the stern. Let's tie this off a bit. Okay. I just have to do this 3 more times. Okay, things are coming along. This is the V-berth. Now the Genoa is up. Got the sleeping bag in for my first mate. My sleeping bag's over there. And the rest of the boat is still a little bit of a mess, but we're getting there. But let's go put the line bags on that I made last winter. Okay, first of all, I'm going to put some alcohol in here, clean things up, which will remove the polish, but I can repolish. They recommend doing this for the adhesive backs on these snaps.
Oh, yeah.
So here's the bag. I want to put it about a hand's length over there, right about here. Peel off the adhesive paper cover. One on the left. About that far, about a ½ inch from there. Place that. Get that one off without touching the boat. Okay, very carefully kind of pre-line it. And up against the boat it goes. Give it a good push. There we go. There. The instructions say to leave these on for 24 hours without putting any stress on them. So next time I'm on the boat, we'll We'll put the bags back on and they'll do something like this. Well, things look a lot better than they were. A lot of stuff is gone and cleared out, but we still have a lot more to do. We still have to clean the inside of the boat and scrub the outside. But the sails are up. Those things are rigged on deck, and we've been traveling all week, so we are going home and coming back at another date soon to finish cleaning and bringing food aboard and that sort of thing. So stay tuned and catch us on our next episode. Thanks for watching. Bye.